Hello, football lovers. Greet you all. If this is your first time here on the channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So the new date updated you today's dates to Ashley Dupree said, "I'm not here to prove anything to Nabi," Kaizer Chiefs striker said. Ashley Dupree. Kaizer Chiefs striker Ashley Dupree said he was not looking to prove anything to Nasreddine Nabi after featuring in the Carling PSL All-Star team. The former Stellenbosch FC star was in the All-Star team for the second successive time. This time, the All-Star defeated Magesi 3-0 to win Carling Black Label Cup back-to-back this past weekend. It's different competition. It's outside the club, Ashley Dupree said before the match. "Whatever happens, happens. I'm not here to prove anything to the coach at Kaizer Chiefs." Dupree has scored 2 goals for the Kaizer Chiefs this season. "For me, it's just to come here and enjoy. It's something different to the club level in the Carling Black Label." So if you are new here on the channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.